Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. The last session we have seen about workspace and all in the presentation basics, right? So we have seen about formatting a presentation, how to create a slide, how to open an existing slide. These and all we have seen already, right? So we have seen how to delete a slide and all. And now we are going to see how to run the slideshow, right? I have told you in the last session itself this is the main thing in this slideshow. Even though you know to create a slide, you know to insert a slide, you know to insert a text, image, graphical GIF or any videos or audio or anything, you have to know to run the slideshow. Then only you can get a presentation, right? To run a slideshow, you have to click the slideshow in the menu bar, right? There you have to click the slideshow in the menu bar, and then you have to click the slideshow button on the presentation toolbar or the slide sorter toolbar also, or we have a shortcut key in the keyboard. We have F5 and F9, right? You can press any one of that also for slideshow, right? If the slide transition is automatically after some seconds means let the slideshow run by itself, right? If the slide transition is on mouse click, if you have selected the on mouse click option means one slide is running means after you click the enter button or the arrow button or any other key only it will move to the next slide, right? Or you can use arrow keys on the keyboard to go to the next slide, right? Or to go to the previous slide you can click the back arrow key, that is the previous up arrow key. And next you can click the mouse button also to get to the next slide, or you can press the space bar on the keyboard also to move to the next slide, okay? Or when you want to go to the next, that is past the last slide, you can click to exit presentation. Like that one option will come when all the slides has been shown in the slideshow window, and after finishing all the slides you have an option like click to exit presentation. That means you can click the mouse or any key or the escape key or any key in the keyboard, okay, to exit the slideshow at any time. Also you can just press up the escape key. You will be having one key in the keyboard as ESC, that is escape key, okay? To go to the end or to close that slideshow, you can just press the escape key, okay? Saving a presentation. Next one is saving, you know, we have seen it in OpenOffice Writer, OpenOffice Galaxy, in everything, right? To save, how will you save? You have to go to File and select Save, or you can just use Control and Yes, right? After uh, getting the dialog box, save dialog box will be appearing, right? In that dialog box you can just give the name, and you can just select the file extension, and you can just choose the place, and you can just click save, right? You can also export this presentation as a PDF also. That one also they have given here, or it will show us exporting the presentation directly as PDF also, right? And then next one is about master slide, okay? Master slide means a slide is a master slide when it is used as the starting point of other slide, right? It is similar to a page style in the writer, okay? This controls the basic formatting for all the slides based on the slide, right? And that means one master slide will be there. Based on that master slide only all the other slides will be formatted, right? When you just give a style to the master slide, automatically all the other slides will have the same style or the theme, right? A slideshow can have more than one master slide also, right? Slide master has a defined set of characteristics. It will include a background, color, graphics, gradient, objects like logos, decorative lines, and other graphics also in the background, okay? It may have headers and footers also, some placements and size of the text frames, and the text formatting options also, right? All the characteristics of this slide master will be controlled by styles only. The styles of any new slide you create are inherited from the slide master only, okay, from which it is created. Okay, in other words, if you see, the style of the slide master are available and applied to all the slides which is created from the slide master only. Okay, when you change a style in the slide master, it will result to change the all the slides. As I said you before, that is based on the master slide only, right? It is, however, if you see, it is possible to modify each slide, each individual slide without affecting the master slide also, right? The pre-packaged presentation styles can be modified, but new presentation styles cannot be created. Here in this image, they have shown the slide master, right? To view that, you can just go to click view first. View option will be there in the menu bar, right? You have to click view and then select master and then slide master. Okay, this is possible to view the master slide in two styles. One is slide master and the one is notes master. Okay, a new master slide will be created by using the master view dialog box, or you can just right click on the slide also in the slide panel. Okay, and we can rename the master slide also in this same procedure. Okay, this master slide will be closed by using the close master view in the master view dialog box. Okay, in this master view dialog box, we'll have close master view, like that one option will be there. If you just click that, that master slide will be closed. Okay, next we are going to see how to create graphic objects. Okay, we can create our own graphics using the drawing tools also. Drawing tools will be there in this Impress. Here this contains a number of advanced drawing functions. Here to create or if you need more graphical objects, means you can use openoffice.org also to draw and import the graphic object which is created into an Impress slide. Okay, let's see about the drawing toolbar. Drawing toolbar will contain tools which are used to create this graphical images or this graphic objects. Okay, if this toolbar is not seen in your window, you can just click on view in the menu bar and you can select tools for drawing, or it will be written as toolbar drawing. Okay, toolbars for drawing or drawing toolbar from the main menu bar, right? Then select means it selects the objects. You can select many objects by dragging the mouse also, right? A line means it is used to draw a line. Okay, arrow is there. Arrow means it draws the straight line and in the end it will have a arrowhead, right? The arrowhead will be placed where you release the mouse button. Okay, the next one is a rectangle. This is used to draw a rectangle and they have to press shift button if you need to draw a square. Okay, you can just press the shift button when you are dragging the mouse to draw a square using this rectangle symbol, right? And the next one is ellipse. Ellipse means this is used to draw ellipse. Okay, here also if you need to draw a circle, you can just press the shift button. Okay, and the next one is text. Text creates a text box. Here you can just type the text inside and it will be aligned horizontally, right? And the next one is vertical text. Vertical text means the text box will be aligned vertically and inside that when you type the text it will be aligned vertical order, right? In the vertical manner. Next one is curve. That is, it draws a curve. Okay, and next one is connectors. This draws a connector line between two figures. Here click the black triangle for additional connectors. Okay, these are all the drawing toolbar objects, okay, which is present in this drawing toolbar. And the next one is inserting an image, right? Inserting an image using insert menu we are going to see here. Here to insert an image, here in this OpenOffice Impress, we have to place the cursor in the place where we need that image to be inserted first, right? And then you have to click on insert in the menu bar and you can select pictures, and in that from file options will be there. This dialog box will be there. From here you can just select the particular image file and you can just open it, right? Here OpenOffice Impress will be having this dialog box, right? Here this image will be inserted automatically in that specified location. Wherever the image is there inside the computer, you can just select that folder and you can select that file and click on open, and that image will be inserted in the place where you have placed the cursor. Right here, next one is about inserting audio and video. Right here, OpenOffice Impress will allow us to insert audio files and video files also. Right, in movie files also, the audio and this movie file can be inserted by clicking this insert movie and sound option from the insert menu. Right here in page number 198, there are some spelling mistake. For movie they have given us MOVEI, and for options only they have given us OPETION. You just when you are reading the lesson, you just correct that spellings, right, in page number 198 and all. Okay, and the movie insert movie and sound option is used to insert the audio and video inside this slide. Okay, same as inserting images only, here also we'll have a dialog box, and in this dialog box you can just select the audio or the movie file from the folder in which in if it is in any other drive or if it is in the desktop, you can just select that for place and you can just select the folder and you can just select the file, and then the movie or the audio file will be inserted and will be played during the slideshow. Right here in this dialog box, after selecting, you have to click open. Okay, and then it will be played during the slideshow when mouse is when by clicking the mouse over it. Right, this is about inserting audio and video. You can add a number of audios also in each slides, right? So in this way you can create videos, or you can create some in Cartoon Network, in Pogo and all. You'll have seen some cartoons, right? These cartoons also you can just create in this presentation. Right, how will you create a cartoon here? Here they have given a activity also. If you can just try it, I'll just say you an example. How will you create a cartoon using this presentation? Here we have seen about inserting image, right? Inserting image, we have seen that insert image, right? You have to click on the insert in the menu bar and select picture, and from that you can just select the image, right? So you can download any image, or you can just have a blank background also, and then you can just have an object, or you can just draw an object using this um, drawing toolbar. Here if you need a cartoon character or if you need a black background, means you can set the slide background as black, and then you can use this drawing toolbar to draw a cartoon character, right? Cartoon character or anything. If you need a bus or anything, you can draw using this. Here a line is there, square is there, rectangle is there, round circle is there, and custom images are also there. Right here in this 10, if you see, that is basic shapes, right? Basic shapes means here if you click on the arrow near that basic shapes, we'll have a number of shapes there. You can just select the shapes and you can fill color, you can draw over it and all using this drawing toolbar, right? So you can just create any one image, and you can just in one slide you are just making that image in a place, and in the next slide you will be making it feels like moving. For making it move, what you will do in the next slide, you have to keep the same background and you have to place the same cartoon character there with a slight movement, right? With a slight change in that previous one. And in the next slide again you will be keeping that same background and you will be having the same object with some more change, right? If you are keeping 5 or 6 slides, and if you are doing the slideshow, how will you do a slideshow? The shortcut key is F5 or F9, right? Or you can just click slideshow, right? That time what will happen means all the slides one by one it will be displaying, right? If it is on mouse click means you have to click on the mouse or in the enter key, and one by one each slides will be displayed on the screen, right? Likewise if you see if you need to, if you need a bus or a car, if you need any cartoon characters, you can just keep some backgrounds also. You can just you don't, if you don't need background, you can just make the background plain, and you can just create the cartoon character. And if you are creating a cartoon character with two legs, means in one first slide the let the legs be straight, in the next slide you can just move the leg little bit, and the next slide you can move some more, and the next slide you can move some more, and again you will need to keep the uh, second slide again, and then the first slide, then again you can move. Likewise, if you are giving these things repeatedly and making the transition also automatically for 1 second, means in 1 second itself one slide will be moving, and in this way you can create a cartoon by yourself, right? And you can just give a music there, as if you can give the sound of walking, or if you can, if you are drawing a mouth, and if you are moving that mouth symbol, mouth itself, small and big, likewise you are doing some changes in the mouth of the cartoon character, and if you are just giving that in each slide, you can itself talk, or you can itself give a audio, and you can just merge. You have seen about inserting audio, right? If when you are inserting an audio there, it will look like that cartoon itself speaking, right? Understood? Like this only, we this is the basic to create a animation, right? The moving object only is animation, right? So here in this presentation, it is not only used for a project, or when you are when you are going to college or somewhere, if you want to present something for official work, means you will be taking notes and giving it as points in each slides, and each slide will be displayed in the screen, and you will be uh, just seeing that points on the screen, and you will be teaching, right? Not only for this work, for creating animated videos, or maybe if you are having your own images, you can take it in your mobile, right? Mobile or camera, if you are having, and you have, if you are placing the camera in one place, and if you are taking continuous shots, if you are taking some burst shots like that, means you can just keep each image in each slides, right? In each slides you are keeping each images, and you can just move that slides and see, and you will get a GIF image, right? Or you can just create animations in that way also, right? Are you clear about this presentation basics? So we have come to the end of this open office package, right? In this open office package, first we saw open office writer, right? In this open office writer, we saw that we can create text document in this open office writer, right? And then we saw open office calci, that is a spreadsheet, and it is used to do calculations, right? And then we have seen presentation basics, that is open office impress. In this open office impress, we can make a presentation, we can do an animation, or we can do a presentation for a project or something, right? So this is a visual, and you can just give the audio, and also you can just give it a video presentation also, right? It may be an image, or it may be a video, you can insert a video also, right? And you can give a audio also, and you can merge it, and you can export it as a video, or you can export it as a PDF also. Right? So you are clear about this open office package. Here you make sure you learn thoroughly about this writer, and this calci, open office writer, open office calci, and open office impress, right? So that you are clear to create a text document, and a spreadsheet, and a presentation, right? If even if you are using the Microsoft Office also, in Microsoft Office also we have MS Word for document, and Excel for spreadsheet, and PowerPoint, PPT. For PowerPoint we have PPT, right? So in the same way only, in the options will be little different, but when you see, if you are clear with this open office package, you will be able to do the any type of uh, presentation, means presentation software, or documents, or a spreadsheet also, right? So make sure you are thorough with this open office package, and so that now you are okay with creating a document, spreadsheet, and presentation, right? In the next session we'll be seeing about internet and email, right? So we have seen about document, spreadsheet and presentation. And the next thing we need is we have to access the internet and to download some content or to download some images. We need internet and you have to know how to use internet, right? And to send a document or to send a presentation or to send the image, you need to know how to use the email also. Let's see the internet and about this email and the browsers and all in the next chapter, right? Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.